Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens and I got these awesome potatoes. I discovered these at the market and I was like, wow, look at the beauties, huh? Yeah, these are a California variety here. This one is by Earth Fresh and they're calling these butter potatoes. Why? Because you can make a meal out of it. Buttery, smooth, and soft. I'm gonna make a meal out of this potato right here. Here we go. First thing we do is we scrub it up, dry it off, dry the cutting board too. You don't want the water all over the place. You just want a nice, clean potato. Keep your cutting board dry. That's rock maple, by the way. Best cutting board made in America. Here we go. So you're gonna start with a really sharp Japanese knife. Oh yeah, I got one right here. There you go. Oh, look at that. That's a Damascus, super expensive with a walnut handle. Wow, we're gonna do consistent, nice thin slices like this all the way down the potato. Starting right here, like that. We're just gonna cut like that. Nice consistent slices. Okay, and we're gonna repeat. Oh yeah, there we go. And I counted them. There's about 30 slices out of one potato. Now, I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Follow along. Okay, for this simple recipe we're going to be using a cast iron skillet, some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Wow, lots of ingredients. Follow along. I've added a small amount of oil to the pan. I just want to coat the bottom of the pan. I will be adding some more oil later, but just like that, I've now coated my cast iron pan. We're going to line up these potatoes right in the pan and make some magic. Why I like it and where you can get it. I'm looking for a nice pattern, so I want to keep these somewhat uniform. I take half the potato first and just lay it out like this. Yeah, just like that. That's what you're looking for. Now we're going to add some fresh ground pepper. Just enough, like that. We're going to put some pink salt. This is the Himalayan. You can use Hawaiian, whatever floats your boat, whatever you can get. Drizzle a little bit more olive oil across the top. Put a lid on there. Press down. I'll be back to check on this. Okay, and here we are after 5 minutes on medium-low heat. You want to check the potatoes with a knife or fork. They're getting soft. Now, the lid stays off. And we take this cast iron pan and we put it in the oven and we blast it. We're going to go with 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they start to get brown. I'll be back. The finished potato right out of the oven. Looks pretty good. Keep in mind that's one potato. Perfect side dish for a couple people or a simple afternoon or evening snack. I'm going to show you how I'm going to plate this one up. First of all, I'm using a cheese knife with a piece of Vermont sharp cheddar, and I want some really thin slices like this, shavings, to complement the potatoes. I'm using two kinds of cheese. I'm also going to be adding some Parmigiano Reggiano, but this is going to put it over the top right here. Using a large plate. This one is handmade in England. Beautiful. Now, I want to try to get the potato out in one piece. So to do that, a very large offset spatula is the right tool. Yeah, mission accomplished. Only one piece of potato came loose. We'll put that one right there where she belongs. And we're going to add this cheese over the top. Yeah, just like this. Got the grater here, loaded up with some Parmigiano Reggiano. Like a little of that on top there, like this. And we're going to use a culinary torch. Okay, the last thing I like to do is use a little bit of this herbes de Provence. This is my own mixture. You can find some or something like it on the internet, but yeah, after a while you develop a taste of what you like. I have extra lavender in here, and there's a few other herbs. Oh, yeah, this is going to be really, really good. I do like to finish with a little bit more salt, sometimes pepper. And we're going to be putting a nice dollop of sour cream here in the middle. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. I would really like it if you would drop a comment, rate my video what you think, subscribe right here. Wow, thousands of free recipes from chefs, master chefs, culinary instructors, and other food service professionals. Make sure to check them out. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, this is going to be good. Oh, yes. Yes, look at this. Here's the chicken. Be sure to click the sponsor below. You can get the bone broth, boost your protein in the desserts. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Check it out. This right here, black walnut, is the good stuff. Each of these are 1.5 inch thick.